16th, iTunes!
Prayin It Don't Rain by Mitch Rossell on iTunes, August 16th.
Hey, welcome to Blooming Beginnings Flower Shop. What can I do for you?
Yes, I'm having a party on August 16th, and I'm going to need 8 arrangements and 16 roses.
Okay, alright. And you said August 16th?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll have those ready for you to pick up on August 16th.
Hey, Mom, what are you doing?
I'm praying it don't rain. August 16th on iTunes. What's the date on that?
August 16th! Do you know when Mitch Rossell's single, Prayin It Don't Rain, comes out on iTunes?
Of course, it's due on August 16th.
Hey y'all, check out this video. Mitch Rossell is a way to go. It's the kind of song I know y'all like to hear. The time is drawing near. August 16th could change it all. Download this song on iTunes, y'all.